Hello everyone, welcome to JFORJS. In this particular question, we are going to write a function called createCounter. So as per the definition, it should accept an initial integer in it and then it should return an object with three functions. Okay. The first function, increment, increases the current value by 1 and then returns it. Similarly, decrement reduces the current value by 1 and then returns it, and reset should set the current value to the init and then returns it. So let's say if this is the function, right? So first thing we should do here is return an object, right? And then we will be having three functions, right? So we are going to write increment, then we are going to write decrement, and then we are going to write reset. Okay, these three will be our functions and we are going to write our function definition here. Now because of this reset, we want to persist this value of init into some value. Okay, so let's say increases the current value. So let's create a variable. Okay, and because we are going to change this current value, so in that case, right, instead of using const, we are going to use let. Okay, and this one I can write current value. Okay, and we are going to initialize this here. This is a pure closure. Okay, because we are using this init here and we are assigning it to this value, and these three functions which we are returning as a part of an object are going to remember the environment where it has been created, right? So here we are going to use the arrow function, and this current value we want to return it, but first we want to increment it. So let's increment using plus plus operator, and then I can write current value. Okay, and I do not have to even do this colon here, so I will just do a comma. Similarly for decrement, I will decrement first and then use this current value, right? And here in reset, we are going to reset the value of current value to init. Right, init. That's it, nothing else. Okay, so we are returning an object, we are persisting this value into this variable, and these three functions are we are using arrow functions, and if on increment we are incrementing the value, then returning it, then decrementing, then returning it, and here we are resetting it, right? Let's try to run the test case. So both the test cases are passed, and let's do a submit. So it's submitted as well. So I hope you understand the concept. Thank you so much.